Hi everyone, so today I'm in Monroe, North Carolina. I'm at Scotch Meadows. This is a new community built by True Homes. And yes, this is in Monroe, North Carolina. It's going to be single family homes. I do believe the prices haven't been released yet, but I strongly believe that it'll be either in the high twos, hopefully, or just starting at base price at the low threes. But we'll know in a couple weeks. And let's take a look at the community. And if new construction is what you want to purchase, access my new construction website. The link is down below. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and hit that notification bell. I post videos weekly on Wednesdays, and you want to stay up to date on the real estate market in the Charlotte region. See you next time.